Dahu Shanzhuang, the residential community adjacent to the内湖 grounds, floods easily and was severely flooded twice in the past. Residents blame the内湖grounds for it sits on top of the nearby conservation area. But the truth is, even though the two areas are right next to each other, they're actually governed by two different river systems. Here's more on a report.
That land is a conservation area, right? So why insist on developing it?
Residents living around the内湖grounds don't understand why the charity insists on developing the land and fear the floods might return.
The whole community was flooded, including the basement we were living in. Because of the flood, my mother decided to move upstairs.
During both Typhoon Winnie of 1997 and Typhoon Nari of 2001, Dahu Shanzhuang was flooded up to 1 story high. The culprit of both floods was the rainwater from the mountains, which should have discharged into Dahu Lake. People worry that further developments will exacerbate this problem. However, hydraulic experts think otherwise.
Dahu Shanzhuang is actually affected by the Dagou River system, while the内湖grounds is under another river system, called the Niuchou River.
In 2013, Tzu Chi asked the Hydrotech Research Institute of the esteemed National Taiwan University to conduct a study that found that the Dagou and Niuchou River system are separated by a mountain, so they do not affect each other even during heavy rains. Though runoff from both systems ultimately end up in Dahu Lake, would developing the内湖grounds compound the problem of the flooding.
65% of the land inside the grounds will be reverted back into grassland, so water may seep through easily. Also, all buildings will be equipped with rainwater collection systems.
Currently, the内湖grounds is paved with cement. However, as the NTU report points out, in the new development proposal, only 35% of the 4.48 hectares will be used for buildings, and the freed up land can help absorb flood runoff by as much as 40%. Upon opening the culvert leading to the Dahu Lake from Dahu Shanzhuang, one sees that it is full of sediment, which is why floodwaters could not be discharged quickly enough. Only by resorting to scientific facts and logical reasoning can we see the truth to this problem.